Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by confirming the carrier supports Esim and by updating iOS. This prevents compatibility issues. Once done, back up your phone so you can recover if something goes wrong. Next, you disable airplane mode and open Settings Cellular. Choose Add Cellular Plan and scan the carrier QR or enter the activation code. This step registers the Esim profile with Apple's system and your carrier. Make sure the code matches exactly, because a single mistyped digit blocks activation. If activation stalls, remove any broken Esim profile first. Settings Cellular removes cellular plan. This clears conflicts. Then reinstall using the carrier app or by rescanning the QR code and wait for the carrier to activate the line. Activation can take several minutes. Once active, configure which line is primary for calls and which handles cellular data. If you use dual lines, enable cellular data switching so data moves between lines automatically. Make sure voice and data is set to the correct LTE or 5G option for best performance. To finish, restart your iPhone and run quick tests. Make a call, send SMS, and load a web page to confirm data. Then check Settings General About for a carrier settings update prompt. Install it to resolve compatibility fixes. If problems continue, reset network settings to clear cached network data, but remember this removes saved Wi-Fi passwords. Finally, contact carrier support with the Esim IXID and activation code handy. They can push the profile or troubleshoot provisioning on their backend. This often resolves stubborn activation faults.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.